What's up, you guys?
Hey!
Hi.
Today we are exploring downtown San Jose, and first and foremost we are going to drive past the Winchester House, but we're not going in because Jess said it's lame.
It's not lame, it's just a little
Overrated.
So there it is.
Wow. Oh, it's all Halloween. Oh wow, look at that. Look at that.
I'm going over here.
Look at that. So beautiful. Amazing.
Do you want me to turn back?
No, that
to
is,
the parking
it's
lot?
okay.
It's your better picture here.
A non-copyrighted one.
I love doing that. Alright, now we're going to make a quick U-turn and head to Santana Row.
Santana Row. Let's do it.
Expensive store. Tesla.
Ah, yes. So, you would say this place is just a row of expensive stores?
And there's cute coffee shops. And there's live music at the restaurants on the weekends, which is a delight. Expensive store.
Ah, suit supply.
Wait, real quick. If you look over here, expensive store.
The reality. Oh, a velvet suit. There were so many coffee shops to check out here, but Jess has a special place in her heart for this one, so we tried it and quickly learned why. We had some great iced lattes.
There's one almond left.
How was your $7.50 croissant?
It was good other than the cream. I would have paid $3 for it.
$3?
Yeah.
It's fair.
Give about a 2.5 out of 5.
What about $3.50?
If you took the cream out, yeah.
So you didn't like.
Less for more. Yeah, that was fake.
Alright, onward and forward. As I never say before in my entire life.
So California.
I know.
Crazy.
Yeah, Esteban's always like saying how I look like a local now. I'm not a transplant anymore.
I see. I think you fit in pretty well here.
I think I do, yeah. Chestnuts roasting on open fire. Feels like Christmas.
It's
80 degrees.
It's 80 degrees. So,
Anyone understands.
this is what it's like shopping these days. Okay.
Hard pass.
The day we went, there was people blowing glass, which was super cool for everyone to watch and then check out all their work to purchase after. You never know what cool event could be going on when you come. So Jess, do you come here often?
I come here when I have time to sip my coffee and listen to music and stroll in nice sunny weather because it is fun for me and relaxing.
I love that. So we're in a thrift store and I'm terrified. What? Oh, there's another ad. This is a Christmas tree skirt.
One of the things I said I wanted to dress up as was Mrs. Claus. It could work.
Well, now's your opportunity. God, this place is scary. We're gonna watch some live music in the park now.
Santillano, everybody.
Woo! Go sound guys!
To play in front of people.
We got free
who love
fans.
you. That's it. How do you think of me? We're in the backseat.
All right, Jess, where are we going now?
We are headed to San Pedro Square, which is essentially a cafeteria for adults. And they have live music and it's fun and it's very pretty. It's right there.
Right there. I like the pictures of dogs on that TV.
Virtually anywhere, but there's nothing like
Dogs.
Oh my goodness. So yeah, San Pedro Square. Do you want to like get a drink and like a little snacky snack, or are you good?
Let me get a drink. We got both of these for less than Jess's margarita, and they're 8%.
I was picking something off the ground.
Where are we going now?
Mini Boss. It is a old-fashioned arcade slash bar. All the vibes, and this is downtown. And it's just pretty, and it's just sunny, and it's just warm.
California.
And cruising is legal.
What I love about this place is that not only could you play all the arcade games, but there was also a full bar and food to purchase as well.
We need quarters.
And you didn't need to buy any to play the games either. We spent quite a while going around and checking out all the games they had, playing the ones that called out to us. You could honestly spend hours here. We just picked one.
What's happening? Why can't I take it? What's going on?
Will this game be any better? Only time will tell.
Are we recording? Hey, what's up, you guys?
So one last thing I wanted to tell you guys about before we end this vlog is this place that Jessica showed me called La Victoria. We just keep calling it La Vic, so that's what I know it as. La Vic's. And they have this crazy amazing orange sauce that they sell for $8 a bottle, and it's totally worth it. And so just go there. It's like nothing else in the world. Like, it is the craziest, best sauce, and they got some cheap Mexican eats there, especially for California where everything here is super expensive.
It's just top tier.
It's amazing. Highly recommend. But yeah, that was our day around San Jose, and I think next you're gonna see from us is going to be the crazy bachelorette party
In Sun. Full stop.